Alright guys, I am on my way to do something absolutely fucking amazing. So I've been looking online for a specific video for like 3 months now, and I have not found a video that is it does not include what we're going to be doing today. And I've been waiting for about a month now to film this, and finally we've got a good day. So this is something that I don't think any of you have seen ever. Well, maybe there is a YouTube video out there or something, but I have not found one on this specific rifle. This is awesome. This is something that I've had in my basement for years now and just have not touched it. And today we're going to take it out, and this rifle has never been fired before. So I kind of contemplated it. I thought this could be, a very expensive appliance one day. But yeah, I figured, you know what, if I got it, might as well use it. There's no fun in just having it sit on the wall. So I'm just gonna text our buddy Cam, the cameraman Cameron, and tell him to get his ass out here, and we'll get right to the shooting video. So there we go. Alright guys, I have something crazy for you today, something awesome. So as I said in the intro here, I've had something in my basement locked up. This is actually a year now that I've had it. I filmed our next outdoor footage here last summer. So I've had this locked up and I haven't touched it. I got it as a gift from my grandfather, and he had never fired this. And I've only found one video of a guy selling one. Apart from that, I haven't found anything on the internet. So I've got something real special for you guys today, and yeah, let's get to it. Okay, this here is something epic, awesome, and old. This is the RCMP 3030 Centennial Rifle from 1973. Up until we took it out to the range, this had never been fired. It's gold plated. Even the little, it says on there 3030. That's all painted with gold, the RCMP Centennial. It's got a solid gold little button here, and it is gorgeous. It's absolutely a dream. It fires nice. It's got a bit of kick, but it's not terrible. And it holds 7 rounds, but I can only manage to get 5 in here. And I don't know why that is, if mine's just a little sticky or what. It's just because it had been sitting in a basement for so long. Like, my grandfather had bought it and had left it kind of hidden because he thought, if an intruder's going to come in, I'm going to shoot him. But of course nothing ever happened because we live in the middle of Manitoba, away from Winnipeg, so we're pretty much in the clear, unless it's meth heads trying to come in and steal your goddamn washing machine. Then you don't have anything to worry about. But this is beautiful, and it is a dream to shoot. So I've got some footage of us taking us out to the range. We fired a few rounds through it, and hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to, I'm going to go with the leave a like, subscribe and comment, but it would help out. It'd be great. We're going to try and bring more footage, both of this and other rifles. We've got a few more ones that we're gonna pull out of the basement here. I've got a few more gems hiding. So yeah, let us know what you think of the footage, and have a swell day, guys. The first round ever with the 30-30. I'm really scared to shoot this. You have no idea. Oh
shit. How much you jumped on that?
Oh, I was just scared. That kicks hard.
Yeah, it looks like it does.
Where did Target, I hit just high and left.
Yeah. Oh, I think you hit it.
I hit it, yeah.
Where were you aiming?
Straight out.
Pretty close.
Oh, I was off. That was my bad.
Holy fuck.
I can hardly hear right now.
I bet.
This is fucking sweet.
Nope.
I don't know. Oh, it's aiming high.
Shit, I saw that one. Holy shit.
Oh, they're all high. I gotta aim lower.
I can feel that in my face.
Yeah.
Nice.
Nice.
This sounds nice when you hit it.
Yeah.
Fuck, yours is so much.
So much louder?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Did you hear when that hit? Holy shit. That's crazy.
Far.
Maybe go out there and throw it out.
Walking that, you can go right ahead.
What?
On grass, not my thing.
Cameron's really afraid he's gonna get Lyme disease.
Oh yeah. Little town boy don't like that type of stuff. Yellow, can you hear me?
Little town boy.